Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to MetaMask. Alright, so in order to send your tokens from Binance to MetaMask, the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll from the overview to the spot of funding, depending on where your USDT tokens are being held. Once you've taken a look at how much USDT you hold, click on the withdraw option and then simply search for USDT, click on USDT, click on send via crypto network. And you're met with the send USDT menu where you simply provide an address, a network, and the minimum amount would be shown. All right, so as we know, the MetaMask platform supports many networks. In this tutorial video, we'll be going with the BNB Smart Chain. So simply select the BNB Smart Chain as a network to go with. It's currently congested right now, but click on OK. There's a request to provide an address as well as a withdrawal amount, which is 25 USDT. That's the minimum. So you could simply check for minimum withdrawals that are lower than 10 or 5. You could go with the AVAX chain, Optimism, as far as these networks are accepted on MetaMask. So simply select a network that is accepted on MetaMask and you'd be free to make your transactions. All right, so your next step after selecting the network is to simply minimize and then open up your MetaMask platform. So make sure you open up MetaMask. Once MetaMask has opened up, where we have the Ethereum mainnet, click on Ethereum and then select the BNB Smart Chain. Once you selected the BNB Smart Chain as a network to use via the network toggle at the top of the screen, simply make sure you have some BNB. So make sure you have some BNB to cover transactions. And once you've gotten yourself some BNB, use the import tokens option to simply import USDT. Click on the USDT, that's the Tether USD, click on next, click on import, and then you'd have the token on your wallet. Now click on the Tether USD, click on receive. We're doing all this so it can show up when we send the tokens from our exchange. Copy this, head back to Binance, paste the address there, enter the minimum withdrawal, which is 25, so you could have like 30 USD and pay your gas fees as well, and then simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you successfully sent your USDT tokens from Binance to MetaMask. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.